Hey there. In this script tutorial, we'll use JavaScript to create a button and attach a click event listener to it. This is perfect for dynamic UIs where elements are generated using code. You'll see how easy it is to build interactively directly in JavaScript. Let's jump in and create our first interactive button. The goal here is simple. Use JavaScript to create a button on the page. Then, when the user clicks it, we want to log a message. This example shows how we can build interactively, programmatically. Let's break it down in code. We first create a new button element using createElement. Next, we set its label with text content. Then we attach a click event listener that logs a message. Finally, we add the button to the web page with append child. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. First, we create a button, then label it. We add a click event listener to the user interaction. Lastly, we append the button to the page so users can see it and use it. Each line in the code adds a layer to our functionality. First, we create the structure, then the label and behavior. Once appended to the document, the button becomes interactive. Click it and the browser logs the message. Dynamic buttons are everywhere, from dashboards to game interfaces. You might use this to add controls when users interact with your app. It is a powerful way to control DOM with code. Let's finish with a quick recap. We've used JavaScript to create a button, add interactivity, and append it to the page. This technique is handy for building dynamic web interfaces. With a few lines of code, we've made the page interactive and functional. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.